Hi class, let's take a look at multiplication. And same on this one, if you have another way of doing the multiplications, that's perfectly fine. The main idea is that you are showing work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 12 here, then followed by the 14. Same idea, it'll be vertical form. And then we technically start by multiplying the 4 times these two. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. And then we do have to acknowledge for a place value. So in this case, as we multiply the next digit, we have to account for this spot. And then we're going to multiply the 1 times the 12. So that's going to give us 12. And then we're going to add using vertical form. So this will be the 8, this will be 6, and a 1. So the multiplication of 12 times 14 is 168. And let me just rewrite it. Let's take a look at another problem. And what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to multiply the first two values. So technically 621 times the values of 12. And 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. And then don't forget the place value here. So then multiply times the 1. So we're going to get 621. Now we're going to add. So this will be a 2. Then a 5, a 4, and a 7. So this multiplication actually is going to have two steps. The first one is just the 621 times 12, which I'm getting 7,452. Oops. Times the values of 14. So technically, that would be the first step in the multiplication. I'm just gonna carry this step and write it next to it. So 7452, and then we're gonna multiply now times 14. So once again, we're gonna start with the 4. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 5 times 4 is equal to 20, and you carry 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18, and you carry 1. 7 times 4, it's 28, plus 1, it's going to be 29. And then we're going to multiply times the 1. So don't forget the place value, but this is just going to be a 52 and a 74. So let me do the addition. So this will be an 8, a 2, 13, you carry 1. 10 and 4 will be 14, you carry 1. So we're looking at 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So our final answer, it's going to be 10, 43, 28. Let me double check the numbers, but I think we're good on this one. And same idea, you can put the comma or leave it like that. I'll just put the comma for this one, since it's a very large number, 104,328. That's actually it for multiplication using vertical form.